First look at PixelROM based on Android 10 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we are going to have a first look at PixelROM based on Android 10 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. You can see that the kernel which is baked into this build is Disrupt kernel, and you do have security patch level as October 5th 2019. You see this option called Google Play System Update. Yes, this ROM supports Google Play System updates out of the box. If you do not know what Google Play System updates is, I have left a link in the description of this video wherein you can read about what Google Play System update is all about. This is how the ROM comes out of the box. You do have Pixel Launcher in the building, and if you go into settings and then you have a look at about phone, you will see that our phone is being recognized as Pixel 4. That is on purpose. Why? That is because you get all the Pixel 4 goodies in this ROM, and because your phone is detected as Pixel 4, that means you will get Pixel 4 exclusive stuff, which does include 3 months of Google Drive free storage in selected regions. Now when you install this ROM for the first time, my tip to you is update all the applications. Connect to the internet, log into your Google account, go to the Play Store and update all the applications, because once you have updated all the applications, you will get a lot of good stuff. This is Pixel Launcher. This is how your recents look, and if I swipe right, my Google feed is in the building. And did you notice something? Yes, we have live caption working like a boss. Of course, you do need to update your Google applications. As I said, when you install this ROM for the first time, sign in, connect to the Play Store, update all the applications, because live caption will be enabled once you update all the applications. How do you access live captioning? You go into settings and then you can go into accessibility and then scroll down and you will see the option for live caption right below live transcribe. Here it is. I have a separate video showing off live caption on the Poco F1 using this very ROM, which is linked in the description of this video, and it will also pop up as a card on the top right of your screen. Other than that, these are the applications which come baked in with this ROM. You do have Google Camera 7.0 baked in. Open the application. Bam, we have the new UI. Swipe down. Oops, swipe down. There it is, new UI in the building. And if you click on more, go into playground, you do have playground stickers working. These were not working in the previous build, however they are working now. Tap here, here it is, and if I click on install, I can also install the playground stickers right from the Play Store without getting any error message which we get in Gcam ports on custom ROMs. So again, this is all because our phone is being detected as the Pixel 4 on the Google Play Store. Dope, right? Then if we go back into applications, you will see that we do have the new Pixel 4 or new Google Sound Recorder application. I have a separate video showing this off as well, again linked in the description of this video, and it will also pop up as a card on the top right of your screen. Then you have the new Pixel Tips application in case you want to learn more about your Pixel 4 or Poco Pixel 4 as I call it. And you have this new safety application as well with car crash detection. Of course, I don't want you peeps to test out that feature, but do note that it does have car crash detection, and you can also share your location with specific contacts in case you are in an emergency. We can now dive into settings and see what all features we get. So if you go into settings and battery, you do have adaptive battery and the option to show battery percentage in the status bar. If you go into display, we do have brightness level, night light, adaptive brightness, styles and wallpapers. Oh yeah, let's dive. So styles and wallpapers, this is how the menu looks like, and do note that custom lock screen has been removed. Disappointing for me personally, but it is what it is. We can live with it because we do have a Poco Pixel 4 here, and with this you can of course change the UI and stuff. So this is your preview. You have different options, 4 options to be exact. If you do not like any of these, you can also create your own custom theme if you want to. So This is the font we want. Click on next. These are the icons you're looking for. Preview on top. Click on next. The color scheme, well, let's try green here. Click on next. And the shape, what shape of the icon do we want? Let's try the teardrop one. Click on next. Wants a custom name. Let's type in Poco Pixel 4. Poco Pixel 4. Click on apply. There it is. The theme was applied successfully. UI restarted in a jiffy. And now here it is. We have the new teardrop icons, the green accent colors, the new icons, all working like a boss. And if I go back into settings, display, styles and wallpapers, and now if I go to the wallpaper tab, bam, right, come alive. These are the wallpapers which you have installed on top. And if you want to install other ones, you can choose any of these which are in the expand your collection part. Tap on it and they will install. However, we have Pokemon in the building. Double tap to switch the Pokemon, right? Second option. Third Pokemon. Pikachu, my friend, how are you doing? The fourth option. And this is the fifth option. So you have 5 Pokemons to choose from as your lock screen and your home screen wallpaper. There it is, working like a boss on the home screen. Lock my device, double tap to wake, working like a boss on the lock screen as well. Here's a pro tip. When you install this ROM for the first time, you will not get the option of Pokemon in your styles and wallpapers. Even if you update all your applications from the Play Store, you might not get the Pokemon option. How do you fix that? Well, for that you need to go into settings and then you need to go into apps. Only if I can find it, apps and notifications, and click on see all applications, and here you need to search for the Google Play Store. Alright, took me some time, but this is the option you're looking for, Google Play Store. Now once you are on the Google Play Store information page, you need to first stop the application, click on OK. Then you need to go into storage and cache and clear all the storage, click on OK. And then you have to reboot your device. Once you reboot your device, you can go back into the Play Store, click on the 3-bar menu on the top left, and here you need to go into My Apps and Games. Once you are in that, you need to click on Installed or Updates. You'll get an option in Updates wherein the Pixel Live Wallpapers application, let me show you the application. So this Pixel Live Wallpaper application will have an update available. All you need to do then is download that update, and then when you go back into settings and then display, styles and wallpapers, click on wallpaper and go into the Come Alive category, you will have the Pokemon Live wallpapers. Other than that, you do have other Pixel 3 and Pixel 4 wallpapers. Of course, go into Living Universe and you can also expand your collection, right? So I was surprised to see a few of the live wallpapers which I personally haven't seen before. I guess they're Pixel 4 exclusives, and one of them is this guy, the Pantheon from Rome, Italy. This one is pretty dope, right? If you click on set wallpaper, you will see that it's building something right over here. You see the movement right over here? I mean, pretty dope and pretty intricate wallpaper in my humble opinion. Anyways, I'm just too excited about this ROM to think straight right now. So we'll go back into settings and go back into display. You do have the option of screen attention. Pause and read what it does. Basically, if you're looking at the screen, the display won't turn off. I tried to test it, but I don't think it is working right now. But I hope they fix it down the line. And while we were on the topic of screen attention, we can go into system and you will see the option for motion sense, but do note that the Poco F1 does not have the hardware or the Soli radar which is built into the Pixel 4, so motion sense won't work for you. And while we are in system, we can go into gestures and then make sure that you change your gesture to the Google gesture navigation. Once you do that, you should be able to access the Google Assistant from swiping from the bottom right or bottom left like I'm doing right now. Bam, I have the new Google Assistant UI. When you do this for the first time on your phone, it is going to install an update, and once you install that update, you will get the new Assistant UI. Of course, this one comes with continued conversation. However, you do have to enable continued conversation. How do you do that? Well, we swipe across and then you need to click on the icon on the top right, which would be the first character of your Google ID. Once you tap on that, you need to go into settings And here you need to click on Google Assistant. On the next page, you need to tap on Assistant and then you need to click on Continued Conversation and make sure that this toggle is enabled. This will let you use continued conversations. Let's try the continued conversation. How many planets are there? Which is the biggest planet? How many moons does the Earth have? How much water do we use every day? There it is, peeps. You can see that continued conversations is working like a boss on this PixelROM, or as I call it, the Pixel 4 ROM on the Xiaomi Poco F1. As for the benchmark scores, these are the benchmark scores which I got on this build, but with all the stuff which is baked into this ROM, who cares about the benchmark scores? I personally never cared about the benchmark scores, and my advice to you, you also shouldn't care about the benchmark scores. Install the ROM, enjoy it, enjoy the developer's work. Life is too short to care about benchmark scores. That will do it for this video, peeps. That was our first look at the PixelROM based on Android 10, working like a boss on the Xiaomi Poco F1. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you. Oh, and before I forget, if you open the camera application, here it is. We are in the camera UI. Let me try to bring in an object. Here's my friend fidget spinner. Press and hold. Google Lens working like a boss.